I set up inside of our Freedom Fusion system. Whenever somebody messages the word workshop, it will respond back with a workshop, but I'm going to make it case sensitive and include additional workshop with capital letters. But the way it works, this automation, guys, is relatively simple, and it comes part of the Freedom Fusion system. What this thing does, it just literally allows you to set up some of those very crafty responses. So this way, whenever you start talking to people, automatically it will respond without you having to kind of remember things. So this is great because it makes it easy for you guys to respond still naturally to any kind of requests that you may be getting on your Insta while communicating with your side hustlers or any other kind of customers or anybody. And what this thing does, it just kind of makes it easy for you to respond back. And this is just one functionality of Freedom Fusion system. And you could adjust those types of keywords and have multiple types of keywords. So this way it quickly responds and you're good to go. You just hit the save button and this is how it works. And of course, guys, I have many other automations, including social media automations that you could use right away directly with Freedom Fusion system. Freedom Fusion system is everything you need to convert your leads into loyal customers. And of course, it comes with all sorts of book appointment systems, email nurturing campaigns, all sorts of automations, and social planner as well. So this way you could post across different socials. Right now, I went ahead and I posted this post over here for the workshop, but because you can't really include links directly into the workshops because it's not going to render perfectly, this is the reason why I went ahead and I created this automation to extenuate the post. And instead of making it like a regular post the way it is with just a link that you can click on, what I did is I literally created you could create trigger links, short links that will look like this. And essentially when you create a post, instead of telling people to click on a link, you're telling them go ahead and DM the workshop. As soon as they do that, it goes ahead and respond with the actual link to the workshop, to the actual Freedom Fusion system workshop, which by the way you could also create, and it will look like this. You could also have as part of your own Freedom Fusion system your own book appointment system and email nurturing campaigns and everything you need to convert your leads to loyal customers. It also have AI chatbot, voice chatbots, and combination of all sorts of bells and whistles that will help you get ahead of the of your leads and help you convert them into loyal customers. Speaking of this workshop, in case if you guys are interested in joining it, DM the word workshop on my Insta and I'll send you an invite over here. Plus I'll hook you up with some bots as well. I do have plenty of them, so this way you could quickly set them up and no longer be the process prisoner and instead get to become the freedom founder. If you have any questions, you could ask those questions directly inside of the chatbot, or you could use ChatGPT like the way I'm doing over here. And of course, just say when you're asking ChatGPT questions, just literally say search through Freedom Fusion system, search through threads.com/@Freedom Fusion system for any, and then put the keyword of any kind of thread, and that's how quickly you're going to be able to learn any kind of digital faceless marketing strategy directly through Threads and get a better understanding about Thread Stack Digital Power Bundle and so much more, guys. Anyway, I'm hoping that this is something useful, and of course we do those workshops regularly. You could register for them, and as soon as you register, it will funnel you directly into my all-in-one Freedom Fusion system funnel. The message will come out on Slack channel automatically. Everything is going to be recorded. You get the recorded workshops as well sent to you automatically through Zoom. All of this is automated. If you want something similar like this for your business, so this way you no longer be that process prisoner, having to remember who to respond, how to respond, when to respond, and you want to be able to record everything in one spot, in one shot, in one place, and have all those different socials that you could easily post across multiple platforms, across different types of formats, Pinterest, YouTube, etc., Instagram direct, Google, and stay in control of your brand. So this way you get more leads and sales. Then go ahead and book a call with me directly on freedomfusionsystem.com, and of course freedomfusionsystem.com. If you scroll all the way to the bottom of this form over here, you could literally register a call directly with me for a consultation, and I'll be able to help you clarify any kind of questions. So, and then you just you get that free call over here for free 30 minutes call, and effectively all you gotta do is pick my name, Ron Wells, over here, and essentially select a time whenever I'm available, pick some time, select, boom, and specify if you're interested in any kind of coaching, or if you're interested in Thread Stack Digital Power Bundle, or if you're interested in any of those other services. Let us know more about your business, and we'll do our best to help you guys out. Select your sales rep. If you don't have a sales rep, select me. So this way you get a very good discount on your program, whether it's coaching program, whether it's solution, whether it's any kind of digital guide, or anything else that we offer. So this way you get a very good discount. So be sure you pick the proper sales rep. In this case, if you don't have a sales rep, pick who referred you, pick me, Ron Wells, and we'll get on a call, free 30-minute call to discuss how to optimize your business and help you get ahead. I'll see you guys next time, and take care.